If I was starting a micromobility company right now, which I actually am interested in doing, I would do my best to offer a graphene battery, which would allow fast charging, greater energy density, less, or I could say safer to use. I was going to say less dangerous, less fire hazards, but safer. Also allows for so abundantly available materials, and also allows for the power to be more consistent longer through the range of the battery voltage. So it'll still have a lot more power when the battery's lower in capacity. Like, I mean, what I mean is when the battery's almost completely drained, it'll still have more power. This is what my research and study indicate this. And charging times in less than 30 minutes, so probably between like 5 and 10 minutes and 20 and 30 minutes approximately with graphene batteries. And I think because it can charge so much faster, it wouldn't necessarily need a large capacity battery. That's a possibility. So this might be good for the for like the last mile, what's sometimes called the last mile, where someone has a really lightweight scooter that maybe can go between 2 and 5 miles range at low speed. So the speed can be maybe 10 to 20 miles per hour, and then have a little graphene battery in there. And I think that would be a lot of fun. I'm visualizing like a super lightweight but very strong graphene battery last mile scooter. It can be a stand-up or a stand-up that allows for a seat so we can sit down. And then it can handle holding 2 people. I think that's good to have as an option. So there can be a 2-person seat is available, so it could be 1 or 2 people seat, or it could just be 1 seat that can accommodate 2 people. Very lightweight, so if possible, maybe between, I don't know if it could be down to 25 pounds, but as close to 25 pounds as possible, but definitely less than 50 pounds, and if possible, less than 40 pounds. Possibly all in carbon fiber, and also have really nice simplistic and minimalistic design. So now I can say this to you because even if someone designed exactly what I said, I could still make my own version of that. It's not a threat to me and my creativity to share what I'm thinking about, because even if someone took an idea that I had, which I would happily give to them anyway, I could change that enough to where it would still be my own version of a scooter, right? And it would be different. And that is allowed. That's why there's so many automakers, because everyone has their own way of bending the metal, bending the plastic, and their own way of not burning all the fuel, if I say it that way. Or their own way of burning all the fuel with catalytic converters. I'm not trying to be mean, but I am. It is frustrating to me when I've studied electrical and mechanical engineering to such a degree that I understand that stoichiometry, true stoichiometry, requires that we use a vapor fuel to mix with the vapor air, and that mixing a vapor air with a liquid fuel is like one of the worst things that we can do, and it causes a lot of combustion byproducts to go into the air. So we always come back to the air because we breathe the air, right? Okay, so that last mile scooter, graphene batteries allowing it to quick charge would mean that if we had to charge quickly, if we had to recharge the scooter, graphene would allow such a fast charge, right? Within just a couple minutes of charging, we could probably add a mile or 2 in that time period, which could actually get us where we need to go if needed, right? If we needed that extra for last mile purposes, right? It's a thought. I'm just sharing a thought with you. That's a new scooter thought design. Okay, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.